Hayi impela kadede. Kadede sifikile kadede. Kadede. Kadede sifikile. Khiphe nefoni yakho kuyilinkile lapha. Akhiphe nefoni yakho kuyilinkile. Khiphe yonke into nje ne-Bluetooth konke khipha. Bonakele manje. Hayi ntambo yami yazi. No. Awulinde nduna, awulinde ngiqede le ngizoyibona bafowethu ngicela ningidedele ngiye nje bafowethu ngingidedele. Iye ngedwa nje ngedwa. Hayi. Umthakathi ngathi ngawu, umthakathi angisawukho la. Awubaleka lapho ngemuva kancane. Awubaleka lapho ngemuva kuphuma kancane ngiphinde ngibuye. Uzophuma. Hayi mana uzophuma ngiphinde ngibuye. Uzophuma ngiphinde hayi ilungile siyeke. Baphethe la. Ngibona baphethe la. La bakamthaliya la. Baphethe ikbalakwane la. Hey! Dalo mshathonyoko ni. Ngenzani kuleliso le? Badayisa ngezo bafowethu. Wayona lento inhlamba ukuthi labo abantu basuka bengenabafazi kwemazobo nabo. Befike bebe nabafazi la. Bezobhebha udade wethu. Hey. Ukuthi ungena amadoda nemthondo azokhwela ingane zalomu. Into ebuhlungu ngabantu bokufika weingane zakwethu engizokutshela zona wemantombi. Abantu bokufika abavukelwa njoba bephethwe oshavula abangangobhanana abavukelwa bese bezofundisa amantombazana akithi ukuthi kukhothwa into okungafanele ikhothwe enento yakhona okufanele ingene khona bese kuthiwa wena uyindoda indoda kayiguqi indoda iguqa endaweni eziwu-2 kuphela iguqa mhla ixolisa iguqe phambi kwenkosi ayiguqele enye into indoda bese kuthiwa kufundiswa amadoda ukuthi awaguqe amadoda aguqe angene endaweni lapho kuphuma khona wonke udodi ophethwe umzimba kuthiwa indoda izongena khona bese lithi namakhwekhwela nothando kanti ingoba nina qobo imizimba yenu ayisasebenzi nifuna ukumunqwa njengey'ngcenge asizukuyenza-ke thina lento futhi sehamba nekhwelekhwele lakho umuntu wesifazane uba nemuva akuyona inhlamba ingoba thina siwuthango lokuvikela abantu besifazane awukwazi ukuthatha umfazi umbeke ngaphambili asibuyiseni into yethu thina abantu abamnyama akuyona into yakwaZulu kuphela into yomuntu omnyama umuntu omnyama uvikela ingane yomfazi
Awuthi inkunzi le manje wami sidla idlokolo awume ngeenyawo ushaka manje hayi ushaka
anavikela ingane intombazana avikela umuntu wesifazane bese vikela umhlaba bese vikela iy'nkomo niyabona abafowethu akuvukele ezilwane ey'lapha kithi zokuvikela izwe hhayi iy'lwane zokubulalana sodwa ake niyeke ukubulalana nodwa abafowethu umuntu osentweni yokuthi uma ngabe kuliwe izimpi lapha kulungisiswe nilokhu nithi hhayi sikhona nathi nathi sikhona ngey'nhliziyo sikufuna ngamasende lapha thina asikufuni ngey'nhliziyo lapha inhliziyo yokuthanda intombi yakho thina sikufuna ngamasende lapha kube khona ngamasende niyangizwa ukuthi ngithini ayisondikhala.
About this 600 million has been declared by number 1 in the country. Ithumele iphi signal engqondweni yakho?
Uhulumeni unayo imali. I've been saying it. Uhulumeni bafuna imali. South Africa can pay South Africans 1 million every year for the rest of their lives. Let's say the average life expectancy in South Africa is 70 years. South Africa can pay 70 million to each person in this country to sustain themselves for the rest of their lives. We don't even need to work. We can have these legal immigrants coming to South Africa to work for us, like in Dubai. In the Arab Emirates, only foreigners are working. The citizens, the owners, the indigenous people of Dubai, they don't work. We can have that in South Africa. If I were to be given a chance as a president in this country when I'm 90 years old. So like all of them. I would, in 12 months, I will transform this country to be the second most beautiful country in the world, better than America. I will make a South African enjoy working in a farm. I will make a miner be passionate about working, going down 6 kilometers under
The ground to go and look for that gold, because that gold, when he finds it, it will never leave this country. That diamond, it will never leave that country.
He will never protect you. Julius Malema will never protect any foreigner in this country. He's just a Mickey Mouse opening his mouth too much. And he doesn't know. He has no idea what we are. I'm not talking for everyone. I'm talking about where I'm coming from. It's just a whistle away. We have the war. We got the war. We are warriors. We are men, we are soldiers, we are police of this country, and we are ready to defend. You can do everything, but you can't. Abantu asebehambile South Africa, they are closed. We are reaching a 2 million march. Voluntarily leaving South Africa. We are going to reach. We got our intel from the border and from other sources. And we are happy and we appreciate that. And we respect our brothers and sisters who are responding to this call, because we don't want to sound like we are isolating Africans, but their rules are more stricter than ours, so they should understand when we do this. But izwe aliseko kithi, izwe alikho ngisho kuma politicians. That's why uzobona ipolitician ithi ayo ngamane document abantu kunokuthi sithi abahambe. So we don't want to be diplomatic bafowethu, asifuni ukubaphatha nendawo ngalento. Abantu bokufika abahambe silungise almost wonke umuntu okufika ola eSouth Africa njengamanje usukela ngo-2008 uza manje onikezwe uHome Affairs amaphepha illegal noma namaphepha illegal, because bebethatha imshini behambe lento beyoyenza endlini. Wena ungathola ukuthi ushadile siswami, ungathola ukuthi ushade nomuntu ongamazi. So sithi ke thina uHome Affairs right now 80 officials are arrested, 25 senior officials are in jail for manipulating the system. So whoever has been given papers, kunomuntu uyazi ukuthi umuntu wangaphandle can't have a South African ID, but they do have, because kuthathwa wena ungazi, uthathwe umuntu oshonile ashadiswe nomuntu eshonile banikezwe i-certificate, badayisa amapasi namhlanje abantu baseHome Affairs 25,000 rand. So noma ngabe unawo amaphepha illegal ngoba i-system i-process ayenzekanga kahle. Sithi thina singama-South Africans, bafowethu, ningabafowethu base-Mozambique, ningabafowethu base-Nigeria, ningabafowethu base-Zimbabwe. By the way, there are no wars in their countries, so they can't be flooding the country like this. If we are saying, and Lesotho and Botswana, because we are Chamba. No, ngilinde ba. No. We are discussing. We open this discussion because we want to have a closure. So ke sithi ke bafowethu i-system idlale ngani. Laba bantu bebentshontsha imali zenu, bebenikhokhisa imali okungafanele nikho. Siyazuphakela umthakathi, umphathi ophethe abaphathi ubhekela isizwe nomphakathi, umphathi ophethe abaphathi ubhekela isizwe nomphakathi, igungu uqedile unsizwa futhi yavuka abaphathi, siyazuphakela umthakathi, siyazuphakela umthakathi, siyazuphakela umthakathi, siyazuphakela umthakathi, siyazuphakela umthakathi, umphathi ophethe abaphathi ubhekela isizwe nomphakathi, igungu uqedile unsizwa futhi yavuka abaphathi, siyazuphakela umthakathi, siyazuphakela umthakathi. Yini indaba ungayifundisa intombi yakho ukuthi akhulunywa nendoda ongayazi?
amalungelo
no ilungelo lokuqala babe lokwazi ukubelonga kuthi ilungelo lokuqala nje is your identity ilungelo lesibili self respect ilungelo lesithathu is to love your country
ngithi mina ayifundisi ke lo
yimi ke ngizofundisa ke that's why insizwa nomthizi imele immoral regeneration sivusa ubudoda emadodeni ngoba make kwalunga amadoda izwe liyo ilungelo bona nje ibonakala kanje ezweni eParliament amadoda aphikisana nabafazi abangazilutho abangaganile abangazuthi indoda yini kodwa baphethe thina umuntu ophethe iHotel South Africa unamaqakala una 67 amaqakala akhukhumela ngathi omanzi ekhona in process uyabona lapho kuthiwa bathinto bazothintwa yimina la khululeka serious yes mana hey akayona intombi umkhulu wena nasi intombi lapha bafowethu kona iqiniso fanele sikhulume phambi kwamakhamera lapha phakathi kweni khona abantu abafaka ama-mask abathunywe ukuthi bezosibulala thina lapha phakathi kweni khona abafaka iy'gqoko eziyimihelane abayivala ubuso abangafuni ukuba semakhamereni mana wena abathunywe ukuthi bezosibulala niyeza wait this
Mhlaka 30 is not an event, so akufanele ukuthi abantu bese bethi hayi ngomhlaka 30 silolo celemba you know ukuthi abantu bathanda ukwenza content ufika umuntu elola imbazo elola umkhonto athi ngomhlaka 30 awuza bahambe na umkhonto wami ngiyawulola no those are content creators. This is a serious issue right now ngoba sikhuluma manje eNorthwest ingane ihlinziwe abantu bokufika ade ngisi ngoba ngiza la sikhuluma nomuntu othi phakela siyacela uzozosiza kunengane yakithi ebulawe ngabantu bokufika bayihlinza so ke those are the issues esifuna ukukhulunywe ngazo eThekwini sithola ingane la kuphekwa khona ama drugs la kudliwa khona ama drugs ena 3 months umama wayo engekho mhlaka kusasa ngomhlaka 30 insizwe ezu1 million maze ngaba ngaphezulu zibe u3 million ngajabula ngicela ihlakane Spaghetti Junction eThekwini eduze kwasePavilion Mall sizosuka lapho sihambe njalo size siyofika edolobheni phakathi eThekwini siyokweseka inkosazana yakwethu uMangobese umama wakwaZuma weMarch and March thina njengensizwa nobunsizwa Development Foundation asinayo imarch esihlelile iSouth Africa yonke asihlelanga lutho sizohamba siyokweseka inkosazana yakwethu uMangobese umama wakwaZuma ozobe enemarch eThekwini thina ke ngomhlaka 1 ezinsizwa nobunsizwa Development Foundation sizobe sine press conference la khona sicela khona umongameli ukuthi ezazothatha imemorandum asinikeze imemorandum thina asinikeze umunye umuntu imemorandum sinikeze indoda yokugcina ezweni sifuna impendulo within 7 days lelizwe lizolunga lezi ingane zakithi zonke sifuna kuphela unyaka isebenza abantu bokufika usuku lokugcina namhla
simzume kupake njani nje that's the way to park vele if you are driving this type of car. Yeah, you have to assert dominance. Show them.
Manje ukuthi behambe bonke bantu bokufika usuku lokugcina namhlanje uthi nihambe si peaceful sithi buyelane emakhaya kini
niyolungisa amazwe enu, nathi sikwazi ukunivakashela, nani nikwazi ukusivakashela. Hayi ukuthi nina nivakashele thina kuphela. Kuyaphela phela ukuhle emzini okuhlala khona bonke abantu. Hawu yebakithi. Nani ilanga lishona izondi ingaba ibambe khona.
Mina ngikhulumi noma ngobe sezonke izinsuku ngoba ungumfazi womuntu. Ngeke ngikhulume naye zonke izinsuku. Kodwa umyeni wakhe ngiyakhuluma naye. Ngiyameseka akusoze futhi kwaba nengxabano phakathi kwethu. Ngeke kuze kwenzeke mina ngiyindoda. Ngafundisa ukuthi ubudoda yini. Ngeke ngihlale nginamathele emfazini womuntu. Manje manje ngangibona eduze kwakhe ingoba umfazi womuntu. Ngeke ngikwazi ukuhlala nginamathele kuyena.
Sorry. We encourage all the shops to open because we just went to a Jabulani Mall. We went inside there. Everybody was happy. The manager of the center was happy. He even spoke to us. Nothing broke. So the politicians must stop sending people to dig roads. Politicians must stop to send people to burn libraries and schools and malls and all these things and police stations and attack police. Politicians must stop that nonsense. Yes. Because you can see 10,000, more than 10,000 people. They could have done something. These police are too small the number of police is too small to contain this number of people. But they did not do that because people don't do those things. It is politicians who send people to go do the wrong things. We are here now. We are leading these people. We are going to make sure that we project ourselves.
Why Raptor?
Africans as sensible people, as responsible people, as law-abiding people, and that's why they gave us all these names: vigilantes, xenophobia, and they all failed dismally. Even those that came with the trying to cause war in South Africa, saying we are funded by Israel, they were lying. Israel can't fund us because we don't believe in that nonsense that they are doing there. So we can't take money from Muslims. We can't take it from Israel. We can't take it from anyone. We can't take it from our own black people if the motive is not right. We want people who are going to fund this thing. They must fund the cause.